illegal immigration ga seng ba ma khangdok na ba house ki committee ma sem laga ningthina yengsilabadi miyam da ningthina khanghan bangamgani haina chief minister N Birena fongdokre chathariba assembly mifam asigi ngasi mangani chanba numitta fungyar AC ki MLA Leishio kaisingna maruoina Kamjong district ta illegal immigration ki changwang khalakli ba asigi matangda calling attention motion pukhaladuna state asida illegal immigration ki changwangle masina yelhomi singi punsi selthum amadi security da sokhan batanatana yamna chawna demographic changes thokhali Kamjong khakta da illegal immigrant lising taruk chama marifutara mapan rom Leiriba asinadi atai district singda leiriba asiga yenglagadi chang wangle takpani isu asida aikhoina matam matamgi oina thabak paikhat pakhak natana illegal immigration law ama semduna ningthina thabak lokhat pachangi loinana border fencing amasung patrolling gi thabak su yengshin batangai fadi haiki madugi paukhum piraduna chief minister N Birena hai oirakliba fibam masi nungnang ningai ni isu asi yengsinaba TAN Hills Tribal Affairs and Hills ke Minister Letpau Haukip Naluchingba Cabinet Subcommittee ama semduna state asigi mafam kayada yengsinki maduda tongan ba khulni fu marida leiramba illegal immigrant lisingani chamri marifu khangdoktuna biometric capture tawba ngamle makha tanasu masak khangdokpagi thabak paikhatli adubu law and order gi fibam yenglaga changsinba yadabagi khudong chadabasu mayoknari amaromda Myanmar ga tainaba border dadi PDF ka Myanmar Janta ga akan mamongda khutthoknari haiduna jangsin bangamdana leiba mafam sing su leikhi masida natana satellite mapping dagi yengwa fawbada mafam kharadadi khul tasilamba yaure hauzik fawbagi oinadi Myanmar rom dagi illegal immigration sing changsilakli basi humanitarian ground thambani Myanmar gi phibam fagat laglagadi maramdamda halan khina bohonari tungi mirol gi khalaga house ki mifamasi loiraga oirabasu punna faminaraga khanaba pami amadi center gi mateng su loraga illegal immigrant sing masak khangdoktuna deport tawna bohonaba chumgan khali haina house ta thamke
illegal mitop changakpagi negative impact si number 1 da national security the threat leba was criminal activities hengat leba aduga organized crime masi hengat pani adu terrorism si hengat li infiltration do mi mayam do ga pull up to terrorist mayam chang si illegal immigration kyam thi shok bribe si akhoi gi leijaba limited resources mayam si mayam mapan dai changak pa mi sing du ga akhoi share tawrak pada akhoi phangpham thokpa akhoi chakhum phangba ngamdi leibadi si the free there who is monitoring this thamagana bhajan thamsi thamoya namfuda border de pushback to tab changak pa mayam se thingse haibataradi frame a comprehensive realistic policy for management of illegal border management to prevent illegal immigration aduga shelter home singdo open exclusive designated shelter homes away from the local residential areas wherein moibu hajira tanhandaba moi mafam du da chap chan tham gado loitering tawhandaba chathandaba asiguma manage tawhaningi
illegal immigrants singi saifu phangbase honorable member khakta oiba male ahan base saifu phangdaba chaina khangdaba sing hujiksu khoi government sida sauri sa illegal immigrants changa ga khoi da demographic imbalance ama por haibasi manipur gi praja samada humdra thajaraga samda nifu gi sang thajadri honorable member lebiri ba mayam su yaning dri ba male loina suna 100% aduna ini sarsi matang se house committee ma house ki weba committee ma phajana sema kanda masi tasena changak pura changak tabra tasena hana kamai le mi hujikna kamai le se ai masi ong tang ai tawning na thari akhoi mayam unity leitraba koi oiroi sigi posi sumai oiroi house committee ma tawra kanda phajana nainaragadi manipur gi praja su bhap tani aduga lei minnari ba honorable members sing su bhap tar kanda koi united thengnardi khoi ngangmani